Hello everyone, today I'm starting a project, easy project, maybe not easy, because I have two bowls from lilac root. This was one root, they were like that. This was a big bowl root, and what, I don't know. I was wondering which one bowl choose to make a bowl today, and this one has win, even if it looks much worse, because this one looks like more stabilized, but this piece, this part, and this knot is keeping only on this place here, tiny place. So I figure out that I have a branch of lilac, and I will make a knot like this one knot here, and I will drill a hole here and glue it this here, and it should keep this part on place. I hope so. I cannot remove too much wood from inside, but this will be later. Today I will start working with this bowl. This part looks horrible but not bad as on previous bowl. It's keeping on pretty nice piece, so I think it will hold. Here I have some punky places. I sealed this with a CA glue few days ago. The wood is very sandy. I think it's very dried. Was staying here a month on the countertop, and I think it will be working. And maybe with this bowl I will try to use my new chuck. This is a chuck for bigger bowls. I made this today. I need to correct some bits around, because I made a too small dimension width. Those are not too width and not matched to the garden hose, because it's an old garden hose. So I will try to test this chuck with this bowl if it will work. Okay, so let's start it. Okay, I think it will not be better. I'm touching them gently, 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 and still something there is. Everything by these holes. Let's see how it looks inside. Grain is marvelous. I see one crack here, small crack. Of course I have seen the crack from the second side, so I sealed this with a CA glue, and these spunky places fill it up again with sawdust and CA glue too. The time for sanding and cleaning the holes from the sand, because there is a lot of sand inside. It will be a good fun. And here it is, the bowl is sanded down, sanded up to 400, and I decided to finish it with shellac only, using shellac because the abrasive paste and polishing paste has no bigger sense on it. I hope few coats, maybe 3-4 coats of the shellac, will give a nice shine on it. The wood is pretty smooth, but as I could remember, it's soaking the shellac very nice, so it will be a problem with it. And the bowl is on the chuck. Spins pretty good. Now I will try to remove the tenon from this bowl. I hope everything will work, nothing will fly away, fly apart. So let's test it.